Hi everyone, Hadar here. I'm standing outside now of my first multifamily investment property, which I invested here in the US. This property is a building with a fourplex. It has 4 units. 3 units are 2 bedrooms and 1 is a 3 bedroom. Large units, about 1,100 square feet each at least. This property, as you can see, it's about 1980s built. It has, when I purchased it, it had a new roof on it and new sidings. And it's located in a residential area, surrounded by houses, mainly houses. And the only multifamily beside it is this one next door. I call the property Cherry Oak Apartments, which is named after the street that this property is located on. And let me show you a little bit from the outside. We had a lot of rain here in Arkansas in the last few days, so it's a little bit damp. But as you can see, when I bought the property, it's already had a new siding on it, a new roof, and we externally improved the property by putting a new fence and provide the tenants with a secured and safe backyard. We put a nice picnic table for them, and we keep the property nice and tidy on a regular basis. The reason I'm showing you this is just to share with you that when you want to get into investment property, or specifically multifamily investment, you don't have to start with the thought that you need to invest in large apartment buildings or anything like that. You can also get your feet wet in a smaller complex, as long as it's going to cash flow and as long as it's going to be a property which has a value add opportunity, like increasing rent or pushing up the quality of the amenities within the properties, which can increase the rent as well. This property particularly, most of the tenants have been there for about 2 to 3 to 4 years, and it's under rented. But because I had such good financing terms, I did pay close to fair market value for this property. But I got great financing, about 4.5% interest rate, locked for 30 years. So effectively, it's still cash flowing great, and it's a property which the value add opportunity here is increasing the rents over time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a 1980s building, if I didn't mention that, and hope you have a good day. Thank you, and catch you later.